triple witching expiration has become nothing more than a media hype job. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday. It is Triple Witching Friday, the 19th of June. Triple witching in today's market has become nothing. It is just nothing more than the hype created by the media to give you something to talk about. At the end of the day, it is not really a triple witching expiration anymore. What it meant was options futures of bonds, currencies, equities, and options on all expired at one time. They don't do that anymore. They stagger the expiration, so it's a bunch of BS. In the meantime, markets exploded higher early, and for the last hour or so have been pulling back. And again, I don't know much is going to happen. Typically, through history, on a triple witching Friday, the markets are typically pretty dull all day. And then late, they may make a move. Now, again, in today's market, they don't do so much like that. But what will happen for sure is stock volumes will be huge in the last 15 to 20 minutes. That I know for sure, because big firms and funds are moving or rolling over they call them baskets. Okay. But other than that, we'll see what happens. I mean, it's just really just a dull market and a dull, illiquid market that was exploding earlier, and we'll see how the day brings the rest of the day. Okay. But again, we're still in the same position: short Russell, Dow, S&P, long NASDAQ. Okay. Metals popping nicely higher, both silver and gold, pushing up against resistance. So maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe they'll break to the upside. We're still long silver and gold. Platinum is also higher. We are short platinum. Natural gas, a little bit higher. We're short it. Copper is a lot higher. We're long it. The dollar is higher. We're slightly short it. The bonds are down, but they have made a pretty big dramatic recovery from where they were. Again, we're still long bonds, but the bonds and notes have both made a nice recovery from where they were earlier. Where they end up, who knows? Again, I don't put much into it today. It should be pretty much dead all day long. Crude is higher. It's just above 40 right now. Again, that's kind of my key ticket. Now we're still long crude, but again, I wouldn't have a problem selling it here, but I won't for myself because again, I'll trade the algorithm. But again, if I didn't trade the algorithm, I wouldn't have a problem trying to sell it here. Grains, corn and beans higher. We're both long both those, wheat lower, and we're short that one. So again, just some more proof on how the algorithms work. Meats, feeder cattle is a pinch higher. Fat cattle or live cattle, a pinch lower, and hogs suck again. They're getting slaughtered, which again, we're long cattle, short hogs, and you can kind of see what's going on there. And again, at some point, I'm sure hogs will come by, but for today, they are not. And I think, again, really just this is really a day that even the professionals, when I was a floor trader, we didn't do too much trading during the day. We did all the action at expiration. Okay. That was when the money was made. There's going to be something to do. Now, as a retail trader, you don't have that same advantage. So basically, if your positions are on and you're set and you're comfortable, that's it. I'd walk away. You can also, if you got some stuff you got to get out of, the first thing I would do for sure is wait late, depending on what your positions are, to get up. Okay, and that's really it. But I don't expect much until late in the day, and you will see a big, heavy pickup in volume. But you may not even notice it. But look at the volume chart at 3:30, and then look at it at 4 o'clock. You'll see how much volume will be there. In the meantime, don't forget about our new commodity report, Technomental, written by Andy Heck, #1 writer for Seeking Alpha. Also, a commodities trader and a physical commodities trader for 40 years. Again, been around in places you and I wouldn't want to go. Go to BubbaTrading.com. Check out Technomental. It's $100 a month, $800 a year. And of course, don't forget our brokerage partners for commodities and futures, CTG Group. They do all of our letter of direction trading. That's where I have my accounts. They are phenomenal at what they do, and they got some great new products coming out that we're going to do a webinar on soon. So again, go check out CTG. And of course, for equities, Trader, how can you beat them? No commissions. Okay, $10 a month flat. We tie into their APIs. We have new products coming out that will be more automated. I mean, again, great customer service. from both of our brokerage partners. How can you beat that? Right? So again, you want information, you want a link, just email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. And of course, our high school program, please have us a helping hand there, trying to get back in order for the new school year, if they ever go back to school. But that's at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great weekend, everybody. Enjoy. Be careful if you're going to trade. Again, expect nothing until late in the day. I wouldn't even expect any real movement at all. And right now, we're up a lot, but drifting a little bit softer. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Enjoy yourself. Stay healthy. We'll see you later.